ABC's Allison Gargaro, as we talk about our weather. Carrie was saying it's warming up outside. It's cool near the rink. That sounds like a pretty good place to be tonight.
It definitely does. And you're probably going to want to hang out there for the rest of the week as well, because we had a high of 90 degrees here in Bakersfield. And those temperatures are only going to increase as we head into the rest of your work week. So we are well above that seasonal norm of 77, not quite at the record, which was 100 degrees set back in 1910. But it looks like we're going to be nearing that as we head into the rest of your week, because we are tracking high pressure that is leaving just calm and stable conditions over the region. We can see clear skies here in Bakersfield, but very dry conditions. So fortunately, 17% relative humidity here in Bakersfield, 9 in Ridgecrest, and 20 up in Isabella. So this stable air is going to cause actually sinking air. So that means bad air quality is in the forecast for your Wednesday as well. Today we had an AQI of 108, tomorrow 101. So still on the lower end of this range that is unhealthy for sensitive groups. But as these temperatures continue to rise, it looks like this could be the case as we head into the rest of your work week. And as for temperatures, well, they are warming up to the mid 90s here in the valley. 94 degrees as a high in Bakersfield tomorrow, 91 in Taft, and 87 down at the base of the Grapevine. As we head into our mountain communities, we continue to see that sunshine. 90 as a high in Kernville, 76 in Bear Valley Springs, and 78 down in the Beck. And our desert cities looking warm as well. Looks like we are going to be in the low 90s, but Mojave looking at a high of 89. So as we head into the rest of your week, similar conditions, but then as we head into the weekend, a cool down is on the way, because we are tracking a spring storm that's going to be pushing into the county late Sunday night. This is at 9:30 and will be continuing into the early morning hours on Monday. So there is a chance to see some thunderstorms actually in our mountain communities, but just how much rain will be falling here in the valley? Well, probably not much. Most of that will be evaporating, because look at this. Hot conditions continue through Saturday. We continue to see a high of 91 degrees, but then dropping down to the 80s by Sunday, upper 70s by Monday. So nearing that seasonal average of 77, and then warming right back up to the 80s as we head into the later portion of the week next week. But again, the Kern River Valley will be warm as well. Winds do pick up a little bit on Friday. That's not going to stop temperatures from staying in the upper 80s in the Kern River Valley. But then again, as that system moves in, a little bit of relief on the way. So something to look forward to as we head into the weekend. But in the meantime, it's going to be warm. Definitely head out to the Condors game tonight.
Yep, definitely enjoy that ice. It's going to be nice and cool
So
in there.
good.
I will say we've already noticed a little bit of difference in the air quality, that it's changed. So I'm glad to see that storm could help for sure.
Clear it out.
All right, well, still to come. The Avengers assembled maybe for the last time.